My name is Nicole Murphy. I'm into fitness.
At 55 years old, Nicole Murphy defies the passage of time with vibrancy and youthfulness that captivates all who encounter her. Nicole Murphy, the stunning model, actress, and television personality, has been in the public eye for over 2 decades. She has always been known for her beauty and admirable figure. However, like many of us, Nicole has experienced ups and downs with her weight. Stay till the end to discover the secrets to staying in shape and conquering the aging process. Nicole Murphy, born on January 5th, 1968 in Sacramento, California,
My fitness journey is quite interesting.
has carved an illustrious path in the world of modeling and beyond. With her striking looks and magnetic presence, she has become an icon for women over 50, inspiring them to embrace graceful aging and a life of wellness.
I think the genetics play quite a bit in your and how your body reacts to certain things.
But Nicole's path to health and wellness had its challenges. Like many of us, she encountered personal challenges and setbacks. However, she transformed these obstacles into opportunities for growth and self-transformation. Nicole's fitness journey commenced during a difficult divorce. In recent years, Nicole's weight journey has been a hot topic, and many people are curious about how she has managed to maintain her stunning physique. In an interview with Wendy Williams, Nicole admitted that she struggled with her weight after giving birth to her 5 children. She revealed that she gained 50 pounds with each pregnancy and had a hard time shedding the extra weight. To regain her pre-pregnancy body, Nicole turned to a combination of healthy eating habits, exercise, and a holistic approach to well-being. With unwavering determination, she unearthed a newfound passion for fitness, ultimately becoming a beacon of inspiration for countless individuals on their transformative journeys. Reflecting on her pivotal moment, Nicole shares, "When I hit rock bottom, I knew it was time for a change. I made a decision to prioritize my well-being and create a brighter future. That's when I took control of my fitness and embarked on this incredible journey." Nicole's workout routine serves as a testament to her commitment and discipline. She engages in a diverse range of exercises. Nicole Murphy's exercise routine combines cardio and strength training.
First one, it was more challenging. So, I just dedicated myself into at least doing an hour, maybe 4 days out of the week.
She works out 5 days a week, and each session lasts about an hour. Here are the 5 components of her routine. 1. Cardio. Nicole starts with a 10-minute warm-up on the treadmill or elliptical machine. 2. Strength training. She focuses on a full body workout, including exercises for the arms, legs, abs, and glutes. She does 3 sets of each exercise with 12 to 15 repetitions in each set. Some of the exercises she includes are squats, lunges, bicep curls, tricep extensions, and crunches. 3. Stretching. Nicole stretches her muscles to improve flexibility and reduce the risk of injury after her workout. In addition to her routine, Nicole also enjoys outdoor activities like hiking and swimming. She also likes to switch up her workouts by trying new classes, such as yoga or Pilates. Recognizing that nutrition is pivotal in overall health and vitality, Nicole emphasizes the importance of a well-balanced diet.
The way I eat is I eat a lot of protein and vegetables.
Let's start with breakfast. Nicole typically starts her day with a protein-packed meal such as egg whites, spinach, and avocado. This breakfast fills her with essential nutrients to start her day on the right foot. For a midday snack, Nicole likes to make herself a smoothie. She uses fresh fruits, including berries, bananas, and pineapples, and adds some protein powder to keep her energy levels up throughout the day. Nicole prefers lean protein sources for lunch, such as grilled chicken or fish. She combines them with vegetables like broccoli or carrots, which are packed with fiber and vitamins. For dinner, Nicole opts for lighter meals that are easy to digest. She typically has a salad with lots of greens and lean protein or grilled fish with a side of steamed vegetables. It's important to note that Nicole stays hydrated throughout the day by drinking plenty of water.
I drink water, lots of water. I try to cut back on juices.
She also avoids sugary drinks and processed foods, which can cause inflammation and weight gain. Nicole understands that nourishing the body from within is the key to radiant health and graceful aging. Nicole Murphy's commitment to holistic well-being extends beyond physical fitness and nutrition. She recognizes the profound impact of a good night's sleep on overall health. As a result, she prioritizes a consistent sleep routine, aiming for 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep each night. Allowing her body ample time to rejuvenate sets the foundation for success in all aspects of her life. Nicole Murphy's dedication to skincare is unrivaled.
Hey, listen, I'm here to share with you my morning regimen for my skin.
As it relates to beauty, she places great importance on nurturing and maintaining the health of her skin. Consistent hydration, a wholesome diet, and a diligent skincare routine contribute to her youthful appearance. Nicole starts her routine by removing her makeup with micellar water. She then cleanses her face with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and impurities. Next up, Nicole exfoliates her skin twice a week using a gentle exfoliating scrub. This helps to remove dead skin cells and leaves her skin looking fresh and glowing. After exfoliation, Nicole applies a toner to balance the pH levels of her skin and prep it for the next step. Nicole's go-to serum is packed with antioxidants and vitamins to nourish and protect her skin from environmental stressors. Once the serum is absorbed, Nicole uses a lightweight moisturizer to lock in all the goodness and keep her skin hydrated throughout the day. The 55-year-old also uses coconut body scrub on her skin. Using a coconut body scrub is relaxing, good for the skin, and helps to maintain the natural chemical balance of the skin while softening and helping to alleviate dryness. Plus, it smells and feels fantastic. Nicole harnesses facial massages and the power of infrared saunas, utilizing their detoxifying and rejuvenating benefits to enhance her radiant complexion. Beyond physical well-being, Nicole understands the significance of nurturing her mental health. She practices self-care and stress management techniques, such as meditation and mindfulness, to cultivate a centered and focused mindset. By prioritizing her mental well-being, she achieves a harmonious balance in her life. Nicole's journey is not solely about personal transformation. It extends to uplifting and inspiring others. She uses her platform to advocate for health and wellness, sharing her fitness routines, beauty insights, and wisdom. Through social media and public appearances, Nicole empowers individuals of all ages to prioritize their well-being and embark on their transformative journeys. A distinctive aspect of Nicole Murphy's journey is her commitment to philanthropy. She recognizes the importance of community and compassion and supports charitable organizations focused on health and wellness. Nicole's philanthropic endeavors illuminate her benevolent nature and desire to impact the world positively. As an advocate for embracing the aging process, Nicole encourages individuals to celebrate their current stage of life. She believes in cherishing the wisdom and experiences that come with age rather than comparing oneself to a younger version. Nicole's mantra is to be the best version of herself at every age, embracing the beauty and vitality that comes with it. Nicole Murphy's advice is clear. When navigating challenges and setbacks, never become complacent. It's easy to let age serve as an excuse to slow down or give up on personal goals. However, Nicole urges individuals to push through their perceived limitations and continue striving for growth and self-improvement. She leads by example. With over 1 million followers on Instagram, she continually sets new goals and challenges herself to reach greater heights. Murphy says, "The secret to the fountain of youth is to think youthful thoughts." Nicole's journey inspires individuals to lead vibrant, fulfilling lives, reminding all of us that age is just a number and it's never too late to prioritize our well-being and embark on a transformative journey. So let us take a page from Nicole's book and embrace the beauty of graceful aging, nurturing our bodies, minds, and spirits to live our best lives at every stage.